This video is about how to set the time on your G-Shock GA-V01 watch. Hold down Mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. In timekeeping mode, hold down the Adjust button for about 2 seconds and release it when the current home city appears on the display. Now, press the Start button or the Light button to change the home city. Press the Mode button again to select the summertime settings and use the Light button to change it. You can change the time display format setting by pressing the Mode button and use the Light button to toggle it between 12-hour and 24-hour format. Use the Mode button to choose the second setting and press the Start button to reset it. Similarly, select the hour setting by pressing the Mode button and use the Start button and Light button to adjust it. The same way, you can select the minute setting by pressing the Mode button again and change the settings using Start button and Light button. Once the time settings are the way you want, press the Adjust button to exit the setting mode. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe G-Shock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.